Hello, this is the rap dancer, and right now I'm kind of sleepy, but I'll make it through it. Well, anyways, I'm going to teach you how to make a bird owl noise type thing. So here's what it's going to sound like. Yeah. But anyways, I got it at the beginning. So. Yeah, but anyways, so you're going to take your hands, you're going to close them like this, you're going to cup them. You're going to cup, and then you're going to take your hand, whichever hand you want. I prefer the right, and you put it right here. Right here, on the ridge of your fingers, or a little bit below it. And so you have this. So yeah, basically there's like a little pocket. So right now this hand's opened. So you're going to close that over this. So I did that there. So once you've done that, you are going to put your like this to where there's a little hole, but not a lot, not a big hole. Now you're going to put your lips on your knuckles of your thumb, right there, and you're going to blow downwards. You can wind it, you can close it. I prefer it opened a little bit. Oh, duh, you have to have it open to make sound. But anyways, yeah, that's basically what you do. And you might have to move your hands around, move your lips around, change the position of your thumbs. Again, widen the thumb span, the length in between your tongue, your thumbs, for deeper, for a lower sound, for a higher sound. Close them in. Alright, so thank you for choosing this video. Rate, comment, subscribe, and yeah.